Well, tonight we have not only just entered the month of September, but also a month that recognizes the importance of bringing more awareness around suicide and mental health. And that heightened awareness comes as new data shows the suicide rate in Richland County has risen in recent years. Here's Cassidy Beyer.
It's shocking. Like when I actually tallied up the numbers as the coroner, I'm thinking we have to do something for the community to be made aware that suicide numbers are on the rise.
Richland County Coroner Nada Rutherford was taken back after calculating death by suicide has risen within the county from 47 deaths in 2022 to 72 in 2023. Rutherford added that as of late August of this year, we've already seen 48 deaths by suicide.
As the coroner, I see the devastation that loved ones who are left behind after a suicide feel. They always think, was there something that I could have done to prevent this? And I think if we just allow open, soft spaces for people to be able to share their real feelings and to try to guide them towards mental health resources, we may be able to prevent some of the suicides in our county.
Helping guide and encourage people to speak up about mental health and seek resources is why suicide prevention advocate Chris Allen emphasized receiving mental health support is similar to receiving physical health support. Only difference, the wound is hidden.
If somebody breaks their arm, the understood process is that you're going to go to the doctor, you're going to get it x-rayed, you're going to probably be put in a cast for so many weeks until it heals. So that's a normal process. But with mental health, it's a little bit different. We just don't, since we don't see it, some people think that it doesn't need as immediate as care as possible. So we want people to understand that mental health is health.
It's a big reason why Allen joined the board of the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention and then became Columbia's chair and organizer for the annual Suicide Prevention and Awareness Out of the Darkness Walk for Columbia.
This is our 20th anniversary for the walk. We do have a goal of raising $100,000. The most we've raised in any given year is about $75,000, $80,000 in a typical year, but our goal this year is $100,000. We typically have about 500 or 600 walkers.
Proceeds raised by the Foundation's Columbia chapter, according to Allen, go to both local and national suicide prevention resources.
Nationally, that goes to funding research focused around suicide prevention. Locally, what we use the funds for is to provide trainings to any organization that would like trainings.
Similar to years prior, this year's walk will take place at the Columbia Riverfront Park.
It really is a team effort. Suicide is a multi-level issue. It requires a multi-level response. It has to start at the local level. It has to start with your family and friends.
Cassidy Beyer, News 19 WLTX.
And if you're interested in this walk, it is scheduled for Sunday, October 20th. Registration can be done online or at the Riverfront Park the day of the event. And if you or someone you know is in crisis or having suicidal thoughts, here are some of those resources. You can reach the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. You can also reach out to the South Carolina Department of Mental Health's mobile crisis line at the number on your screen. That number is 833-364-2274. This team will provide you with resources and can even respond to crisis in person.